guys, this is Charmi Bookland. I am an engineer, book blogger and reviewer and recently launched my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that I'm gonna connect with you all guys today live on YouTube with YuvaManthan team. So yes, I am going to be part of the event. Firstly, I would love to thank YuvaManthan to let me be part of the event. So let me tell you what is YuvaManthan. YuvaManthan is an organization, it's a platform where they inspire young minds, where they encourage for their innovative minds. So I really like the way they keep on encouraging students for their innovation. So yes, I'm going to be part of the event today, which is 11th of August 2018 at 8 p.m. So yes, stay tuned, stay connected, and yes, the title of the event is Let Happiness Be Your Passion. So yes, we are gonna have a lots of talks. So yes, stay tuned, stay connected, and for now, bye, see ya soon. And yeah, I'm already excited for the event. Bye.